sunglasses اللي ورا على الأرض.
Your sunglasses?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Somewhere.
Okay, so what I did, pretty much, is edited the vlog for yesterday. And
I'm listening to you, but concentrating at the same time.
well, you know, I'm talking to my audience too. So,
Okay.
oh, hold on, it's red light. It's red light. Okay, and basically I took a day off from training because I did too many flips and my lower back was not happy with me. And so I just played video games today. And this is my awesome father. This is the man of the hour. So we're going to a meeting right now, and basically this meeting, we are both part of the board of education for my old private school. You've seen my previous videos that, you know, I've done, I dabbled a couple videos here and there to post it on their social media. So we're on our way right now, and cue music. So I thought I lost my microphone. I thought it just flew out, but turns out it's right here. And
We're ready to rumble.
all right, meeting time. So the meeting is now over, and now we're about to head to another, to someone's house that we got invited to for iftar tonight. Aside from the food, they giving out honeycombs. My face doesn't look like it, but it just tastes so bomb. So good. Alright, so the best part about this, hey, you're on my vlog again. Alright, so being invited to this house, honestly, I love being invited to this place because they always have the best food. Like this. All the best food. فلاش؟ لا. فلاش، هلا بحط فلاش. Bite me. Look, there's nothing. I don't have anything. See? I don't have
Dude,
anything.
if you do that, he's gonna get
No,
scared.
no,
You
no.
just gotta go for it.
Like, my guy, calm down. You're stupid, you know that?
What are you feeding him? What is that?
It's soup. He was eating it before. Literally before you came in, I was feeding him. Woo! Video of him opening up his cage. Woo! Ow! No, he gets scared if you do that, Hada.